Hello guys, how to fix Windows 11 error 0xc00000e5. If you are also facing such type of error message on your Windows 11 and 10 system, here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute dism tool and sifcscan now command. First, execute these three commands one by one: dism scan health, dism check health, and dism restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. Once completed, then go to sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files in your system and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows 11 error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows settings and choose Windows Update, and here scroll down and click on advanced options. Scroll down and choose optional updates, and if any optional update driver updates available, download and install it in your system. Select it and choose download and install. Sometimes outdated driver may be a cause of such type of error appeared. The next workaround is run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. First, scan your system, full scan, go to privacy and security and click on Windows Security and click on virus and threat protection. Before running the troubleshoot, scan your system. For full scan, choose scan options, and here you will find four options: quick scan, full scan, customized scan, and Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. Choose full scan and finally click on scan now option. Now we will run Windows Update troubleshooters. It may be a cause of error. Windows Update failed to install in your system and such type of error appeared. So right click on a start button again and choose settings. From the left side, go to system settings, and from the right side, click on troubleshooter. Troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters, scroll down and choose other troubleshooter, and here run the Windows Update troubleshooters. Click on run and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will detecting issues, checking for pending restart and some other checking, initializing the diagnostic. Wait for some times, it will take some times, and after that it will not only detect issue but fix them accordingly. After that, close your Windows and check whether your error is